morning, students. Today we will discuss about the continuation of lesson 10, which is computer networking. So in our previous session we were discussing about what is a network, what is a node, what do you mean by networking, what is an IP address, what are the uses of computer networks, which is a very important 5-mark question. And now we will discuss about how networks are used in business. So in 21st centuries, communication is necessary for successful business operations and technology for the business interaction. Computer networks are faster, internet became strength, and wireless communications have been transformed the way of business. The latest technologies such as cloud computing are being used to allow globally without scarifying security or limiting the user access. So cloud computing is nothing but the softwares or the programs will be stored in a separate system, so we can use those features of programs, or we can use the software through online itself without paying any money. So that is called as cloud computing. So for example, in internet you can search for, even you can go and search for convert a word file to PDF online, okay, or else convert black and white photo to color photo through online, or enhancement of photo clarity or photo resolution online. So these are some of the programs or some of the softwares which are available and stored in the cloud computing. So whereas we can use these softwares or programs by making use of our internet, okay. So here on, through internet, conversations happen faster, quick decision making saves a lot of time. We all know that time is money in business. So nowadays all the business transactions are dealing with the help of network, and which is through the internet. So on the way of e-banking, we can pay or receive money from or to the customer easily through payment gateways. So we have Google Pay, we have Phone Pay, you have GPay. So you have several gateways to pay money, okay, and receive the orders. And even you can pay any electricity bills or water bills, or you can even pay your loans to the banks, okay. So here are here any type of business, it might be large or small scale. So B2C, B2B, B2G, C2B, C2C, C2G, G2B, G2C, or G2G, or a commercial, the transfer the information across the internet can be done through the internet. So early days, product choice and comparisons was very difficult, and nowadays it is very easy to look out in internet, okay. So if it is not e-business, or if it is not as a e-commerce business, before in olden days and all, it's very difficult to choose a product, or it is very difficult to compare products, going to many shops, and it is not possible, okay. So through the networks, through internet, you can search your products which you want, and you can compare the products, its quality, its quantity, its price rate, or even you can see nowadays feedbacks for individual products too. So based on the feedbacks, you will choose your products. So all these things are made possible only through the help of internet, okay. So every business transaction should be interconnected, or should be networked with the help of internet. So government subsidies also were available for their business to promote their business by digitalization. So company renewals, license and other certificates, bill payments, receipts, invoice, stock maintenance can be done without any geographical boundaries required here on doing through internet and computer networks, okay. So all these things are possible through networks. So you can renew, you can even pay your bills, you can get certificate or you can get license, even you can if you are employed in an employment service also, you can renew it through the internet itself. So direct human interactions are reduced because of internet. Even working environment is also shrink. Okay, see, for example, if you take Swiggy or Zomato or something, any organization, they all comes under only one roof. Okay, so it's all possible through the internet. Buyer directly purchase any product from manufacturer without lowest cost, with lowest cost. Middle person brokerage charges are reduced. Okay, so this is a small diagramical representation for how does a network in business works. So your headquarters may be in some other place and your branch offices may be in some other place. So it may be in abroad or on, and this branch office may be here, it's localized. So if the headquarters is asking any messages or any clarifications or any data or any profit or loss about the company, the organization or anything else, so it's very easy to send the data and send the feedback, or to get the suggestions from the senior members from the headquarters, like that. So it will be possible only through your business or your organizations is being interconnected and being networked with the help of internet. Okay, so your next topic is networks at home. Nowadays our entire home became networked instead of individual network. All can access one device. In home network, gaming and entertainment are very much needed for both parent and children. So network at home is a group of devices such as your computer, mobile, speaker, camera, game system and printer that are connected through network with each other. So networks at home are of two types, and they are wired network and wireless network. So a wired network system connected with the network cable. So the network system will be connected with a cable, and for example your speakers and your CCTV cameras, your printers, outdoors and scanners, etc., with the help of cable. So you have different types of cables, and that we will discuss in later chapters. You have coaxial cable, you have twisted pair cables, you have fiber optic cables, you have several types of cables. Okay, so a wireless network is connecting device like tablets, indoor cameras and e-readers, etc., without cables. So this is, we will call it as Wi-Fi. So wireless fidelity, and this is the expansion of Wi-Fi, which is wireless fidelity. Network at home plays main role to access all, such as e-banking, e-learning, e-governance. All this e denotes electronic, so which means it's fully uh, internet oriented, okay, or network based. So all these e belongs to e-banking, e-learning, e-governance, belongs to electronic. Okay, telemedicine, call centers, video conferencing, digitalization of memories, etc. If parents who stay alone without their children, they can even serve their parents all through internet, from food to medicine. So it's very simple. So what they are trying to say is, um, even if you have a mobile phone, and if you are working in abroad and if your parents are here, you can daily call them through a video call, or you can share your memories and you can speak to them. You can always go and have a chatting with them. You can message them, you can call them through a video conferencing call, so that it will be free from homesick for you. Okay, and even you can tell your parents that by this time you should have taken your food, by this time you should have this medicine, and this is the medicine, like that and all. You can share your views, and you can have touch with your parents with the help of these networks at home. Okay, So here on e-market or by online shopping, we can get from toothpaste to car. All the traveling tickets and services can be done easier through internet and computer networking. No geographical area can separate them. Okay, so from wherever we want, we can buy our products through the help of this internet. So from home, we order delicious food from various hotels and restaurants at any time without delay. So this is a small graphical representation of wired network and wireless network. So here this is connected with a wire. So this is wired network, and this is a Wi-Fi signal. So we were discussing about Wi-Fi, so wireless fidelity. Okay, and even after this wireless fidelity, you have still more faster, 100 times faster technology, which is called as Li-Fi. Okay, so Li-Fi, which is called as Li-Fi. So Li-Fi is nothing but, see here, this is your wired or wireless network in your home. So this is your broadband gateway, and through this you can connect through your audio speakers, your laptops, your CCTV cameras, your television, your printers, okay, your mobile phones, everything. It may be through wired or it may be through wireless. So this is called as Li-Fi technology, where it is 100 times faster. Okay, so it is a type of wireless connection that can be up to 100 times faster than Wi-Fi. So this is nothing but it is just by connecting to high speed internet by just flicking on your light switch. Okay, so what happens is your internet connectivity will be only through this light rays. Okay, so once you cross this light rays, your internet connectivity will be lost. Okay, so your data will be you can access your data only within the rays of this light. Okay, once if you cross this area where the light is falling, so here you can't access your internet. So it's little bit for security purpose. Okay, so till here we will stop, and rest of the things we'll see in the next class. Thank you, children.